Good day guys and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you two ways of how you can download TikTok to your Android phone. So the official way, the way people are doing it, most people, is you just go into your Play Store, and then in here, as you can see, we have multiple tabs and sections pretty much in Play Store. You just press on search and then you just search for TikTok like this, and you just, for example, install it from here. So this is the official way, this is the official app, and yeah, if your region, for example, supports it and you can download it, you can go ahead and do that. If not, you can just go back. Let us go back, and then you open up your browser, and then you just type in TikTok APK in here, like this. And for example, from up to down, you download the APK. As you can see, we can download from here. So this is pretty much a method for people that don't, for example, have TikTok available in their country, but you still wish to use it. So you just sideload a application from the internet, install it, and you can use it. So you can just get the latest version like this, download the file to your phone, and then you can use it. As you can see, it's 500 megabytes, quite a beefy application. But yeah, these are your two ways, guys. Enjoy. If this helped you out, don't forget to press thumbs up on the video, and of course, subscribe to our channel.